Good evening friends, welcome all to Minnie's World. Okay, first of all, it is a requested video. We have a same video we have uploaded, so some of our friends have requested for in English, so just translating this in English. Okay, this is a wine preparation, grapes wine instant. Within 3 days we are going to make this wine. Okay, first let us see what all we have taken. We have taken 2 cinnamon, says little small big pieces, and 10 elachi and 10 cloves, and we have taken water, and the water is always, you remember that the water we are taking is, we have taken 3 liters of water for 3 kg of grapes, 3 liter of water, and this water is very well boiled and cooled. This water, always remember that we have to take a boiled water and very well cooled that water. Okay, this grapes is 3 kg of grapes, washed very well, should not have any other particles, so we have washed very well, and we have dried this, and we have taken a dry container also to keep to add in this, and we have taken 3 kg for 3 kg of grapes we have taken 2 kg of sugar. So first we have taken adding this one grapes to a container, and next we are going to add 2 kg of sugar. This sugar, always remember, so if you want more sugar, add more sugar, less we can add less sugar. We have taken 2 kg of sugar and adding 2 pieces of cinnamon, this 10 elaka and 10 cloves. Sorry, elaka's name is cardamom, I have forgotten that, sorry, and 10 cardamom we have added, and we are adding this water also. After adding all this, we are going to keep on the fire. Always we must remember that the container we are taking should be very well cleansed and dried, should not have any water content in the container. Always should take clean container, otherwise our wine will get spoiled. Now after adding all this, we are going to keep this on the fire for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes it will start boiling. Once it is boiled, we can remove the lid from the fire, and we are going to put again for slow fire for another 10 to 15 minutes. We have kept it on the fire. Usually we prepare wine with the grapes, maybe after 21 days the wine is ready, or 42 days, like that. Some days we usually take it, but this is an instant preparation. Some of our friends have asked for the instant preparation, so we have doing this for within 3 days. And now it's already on the fire, it's getting boiled, so already you can see the skin is peeling off. Again we will keep for another 10 to 15 minutes. Nicely all the skins will be peeled off, and that time we can remove the fire and keep aside as it is. See, the color is already being changed. We have taken the seed, grapes with the seed, and it is a little sour one. Usually for wine we take sour grapes. Okay, nicely it is getting boiled. Okay, now this is the next day. Okay, next day after 24 hours we have removed the lid. That means Previous day we have just as it is, we are covered and kept after boiling for 10 minutes, then again for 15 minutes on the slow fire. We have covered and kept. This is the next day. Next day we have opened the lid and we are adding yeast. We have taken 4 grams of yeast to this mixture, and we are shaking very well, and again lid it, cover it with the lid, and again keep it aside for next day. Today we are only adding this yeast, no other work is being done on this. Okay, this is the third day. Third day we are going to strain it. For straining we have taken a new towel and straining it out. All the grapes is being strained and full the juice is being strained out, and now we are going to transfer to a glass container. Always we have to keep wine on the glass container, should not keep it in plastic container. So you can see we have got a better color, and we transferring to the glass container. Now after transferring to the glass container, according to our preparation, this is ready to use for 3 days. And if you want it more strong, we can keep it aside for more strong, adding little wheat. If you add little wheat into this and keeping for few days, it will become more strong. The more you keep, it will become more strong. And now we are going to add wheat. For adding wheat, we have taken one handful of wheat and putting it in a small cloth, covering the cloth and adding that cloth. We say for this kiri we say, and we are putting this kiri to this container. You see, this is the kiri. That is a godambu wheat kiri, and that we have added to this container, keeping it aside for another few more days. You according to your need. The more you keep, the more it will become strong. And we are going to keep it aside and covered, and going to keep it aside. And the other wine is what is not kept with the wheat, we can go into drink now. And that at present it is ready to drink for ladies and for kids and all. It is very tasty, and we don't have much. It is not strong also. So now let us taste and see this preparation. I think this is my child also may like, because he is going to drink for the first time. Let us see what is his reaction and all. Okay, going to give it to him. Let's see what he says. Okay. He liked, I think. Yes, he liked. First time he is going to taste it, and he liked it. Okay, he is saying it is super. Okay, and it's going to be my turn also. Let me see how it is. Okay. Now it's going to be my turn. Okay, I got it. Okay. Think little strong. Okay, what I am saying is, at present it's okay for me. More strong is not okay. At present it's okay. Okay, all of you, please try this video. Please subscribe this channel, and please encourage us, and please share to your friends, and please send your valuable comments. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Okay, we'll come with another video. Bye.